Hey, what's up, people? You know who it is, TJ. Welcome back to Tease Time. Today, we're just doing a quick little update. What's going on? Videos have been behind. I don't really have too much content, so I don't want to waste your time. But today, I'm going to clear out some space, so hopefully I can fit another vehicle. I think I should be able to fit another vehicle. The other vehicle is this vehicle right here. Quick little swipe. 93 Legacy, daily slash who knows what. But yeah, so hopefully we could get like two vehicles in here. I know it's like I already kind of like adjusted, made space for the Impreza, the other Subaru that's in there. It's a little early, forgive me. But yeah, we're gonna open it up, make some space, see if we can get like two vehicles in there. Just so kind of shuffling, just trying to save money a little bit with like the van, because that's been like the daily. So if this could be like a daily, something to put around in, it could probably pay for itself and just saving in the cost of diesel. So diesel used to be cheaper than regular gas. I don't know what happened, but now it's the most expensive, even higher than premium. But I'm nobody. But anyways, let me get this opened up and we'll get this going, get adjusted, see if we can get this vehicle inside to storage for the other one. Eyeballing it definitely says that it's doable. I think I have a tape measure somewhere. I could just measure. But I think I believe I have to like jack the vehicle back up and put it on the ground and roll it like further back towards the wall just to get this in. And it would be cool if I have room for these two and a motorcycle to get in here. That would definitely be pretty cool. But also, I did start acquiring some parts. I did just get another like dashboard, a darker color, a gray interior dash with the trim pieces right here. Yeah, so we got that. It's like got some little brokenness, but like this most likely is going to get cut when I put in the shifter I want to put in. But just to get something that's a darker color, the flock, it is easier to put in than like the RS dash, and it's just pretty much like from the same make and model of that. So you don't have to worry about extra tabs. Like AC situation, I'm thinking about like electric AC compressor, like in a bag to kind of contribute the weight. But I still want to have a little AC. But yeah, this is like the first piece I got. I also have some other stuff coming, but I'm just going to be like slowly acquiring things like as I find them. If the price is right, stuff like that. So the price was right on that. And we have the extra trim pieces, the center pieces to play with, center console, the dash, even the back little trim piece right here that goes on the dash, which the other one I have doesn't fit or doesn't have. That goes there. Yeah, I'll show you. Because we have the gray one or the tan one that's been spray paint black, so you kind of see it looks like trash. I plan on trying to like flock it anyway. So yeah, we're gonna get like our hazard buttons. I believe the other dash has that, but like this doesn't have this back trim right here for the defrost vent. That's not there. And we have the RS dash. But it's just a matter of like mounting points, like where all these mounting points are. They're different, so I have to like adjust tabs. So it'll be easier just to go ahead and just get like a factory dash. Just like the main thing is just like the color of it. Don't want the tan in there. Yeah, so that's what that is. So that's the first piece of the puzzle that I've acquired so far. That is an airbag version. Yeah, race car wise. Yeah, but anyways, let's make some room, just get stuff pushed to the side, see if we can get this thing in. Measuring tape hopefully is somewhere in here, but yeah. All right, so space is acquired. I think that's like the word of the day, acquired. But we got space. I moved stuff. I put the shop back in the back of the wagon. We should have enough space. I measured, it should be good. So the last order of business is to actually just get this in here. It's gonna be tight. I folded in the passenger side mirror. We should drive in, and there should be like maybe enough room like for me to get the door open. I'll have to like kind of squeeze out, but like I think it's doable. So bike is out the way. Let's get this inside and let's see how this goes. And it's in. That's how close I got it right there. Just making sure that side didn't scrape. That was what I was worrying about. Like, I just nudged the bumper. We got like slight contact. But why, space-wise, it's in here. It's cool. It's in. For the bike to fit in here, though, I would need to probably jack the other car in the back up, put it on the ground, and push it back because there's quite a bit of space behind it. I'll show you. As you can see, like, if I cleared this out, put it down, and pushed it back, or even if I somehow like just made space and just shifted everything this way, I could be able to get like the bike in at the nose end, and then maybe be able to, would that be enough space like with the handlebars and stuff? Or would it be easier just to be able to get this further in? I don't know, I'll figure it out, but there's definitely space. It's tight, but there's space. It's close to the wall. It's touching. I could back up a little bit and still be able to have that door closed. And let's just test that out now. Yeah, so no issues there. Thank you for tuning in. That's all I have for today. I got the bike, I got the air and the tires. I was planning on riding that, so I need to go get air. But that's all I had. I just want to make sure that stuff fit, and as you can see, like, the bike will fit, like if I just shift stuff in there, but I want to make sure I can get the two cars in. And you shouldn't have vehicles running in the closed spaces. But anyways, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace, DJ.